Hi friends, heartiest welcome to ChefARoy channel. I am suffering from severe cough and cold. I have no taste in my mouth. I don't want to eat anything. In this situation, I like this combo: Gobindo rice and Posto. I am preparing Posto. Heat the pan, add mustard oil and cutting potatoes. Fry it only 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt to taste. Add water to boil the potatoes. Preparing ghee rice: 2 cups soaked rice and 3 to 4 cups water. Preparing Posto paste. Perfect Posto paste. Add water and perfect boiled potatoes. Add Posto paste. Cook only 4 to 5 minutes. Look at this. Add raw mustard oil and green chillies. Serve it hot with ghee rice. Amazing, soul-satisfying lunch for this time, this situation. I love this combo. I hope you will like it. Don't forget to prepare this type of lunch for severe cough and cold situation. If you like this combo, don't forget to subscribe my channel with bell button.